Unit 13. This is his rabbit. Lesson 1.
Robert, look!
This is his rabbit.
Oh, look at its little nose.
And this is his mouse. Robert, look! It's her frog. Its mouth is big. And that's her tortoise.
Oh, look! Its leg!
This is my parrot.
Bad dog! Be quiet!
Unit 13. This is his rabbit. Lesson 2.
Look, Peg.
What is it? Yes! Look at its nose! Oh, it's a little nose! It's a rabbit!
No, it isn't a rabbit.
It's a mouse! Its name is Mickey!